Welcome back to Fun Time with Ed. Yeah. Got a PlayStation 5 controller. This is a very good friend of mine, somebody I've known all my life. And he's suffering from a bit of... Well, he's not suffering. The controller's suffering from a bit of drift. Only problem is I can't remember which one he said. But... he has supplied me with a load of parts as well, which is always great. I don't know why my camera keeps losing focus on this. So what we'll do now is we'll get into this. Let's take a look anyway, before I get too overconfident here. Hold on a minute. Am I going about this the hard way or what? Oh, is it fiddly? This is a new one now. Do it this way, I think. Right, I thought I'd pressed record, but I hadn't. But the reason I've taken that one out is because if you have a look, see how it's worn? So that's the one that's drifting, in my opinion. So what I'm going to do now is put a new one in. Spin it around so I don't do this wrong. This is a new one. Get him in there. Plump him into there so I know where to solder it to. Let's get a new piece here. Close it in, that's that one done. And we'll do the same on the other two now. That's looking alright. Put a new pad in. Oh yeah. He's done. Right, let's have a look at this one. Getting excited. How's this one looking? Let's give it a clean and have a look. It's looking, it was a little bit worn on the top corners, so we'll change him, I think. Oh, bugger. Oh, it's cleaned that all up anyway. Let's see if I can clean these two up. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah. And this one's come out a hole, which is brilliant. All I have to do now is solder that in. Lovely. Right, we can start building him back up now. Build it back up, yeah. Why is my camera angle always changing? So it's yellow, green, black, red. Oh, that wasn't good. Here we are. So in fact, if we work from the bottom up, that way we're not getting in the way. Here we are. So red's the first one, which is below, followed by black. Which will not get out the bloody way. Get over there. Yellow. God, I can't even get my colours right now. Red. There's black. Green. Oh, is it fiddly? Yep. And then yellow. I gotta do the same on the other side now. All the while I was trying to trim a bit, these were already off. I don't know what's going on here, but it's red then. That's all I need. Black. There we are. Woohoo! Now the yellow. Excellent. Excellent. That should be it for the soldering. So I can knock my iron down a bit and then turn it off. Brilliant. So, that's how you fix the drift. Well, hopefully. On a PlayStation 5 controller. Now, like I said, that's just the buttons rubbing. I haven't got a PlayStation 5, so I can't test it. What I'll do is I'll give it back. I'll say to my mate, test it. If it's working, film it and send it over. And I can just do an update. If it doesn't work, give me the old thing back and I'll do another video to say, right, what haven't we done right? So, win-win really. So I'm not trying to hide anything. I just can't test it yet. But I will give an update, or we'll have a further video of how to fix it. But I hope you've enjoyed this video on fixing the drift on these bad boys for a PlayStation 5 controller, and I will see you soon. Please consider pressing that subscribe button. A lot of people who watch my channel are not subscribed, and it does really help me out. I really want the channel to grow a bit more, and I love the community we've already got, so thank you very much for that. But until then, ta-da!